Yes, dude! Fucking finally! God, that took so long. Alright, let's see. Yeah, that doesn't look like a long time, but that took so long. For what it's worth, I had approximately 35 attempts that I lost from a game crash earlier today. So this is in the 580 to high 580, 590 range, I would say. Actually, I know I lost some attempts in a game crash, so that's probably what that's close to. I do think this is not extreme. I saw people saying it was. I don't think that. But God, this took me a long ass time. It took me 3 sessions. Session today was like 3 hours long too. That's just from like, it's just, oh my God, this took so much time. But I'm glad this is done finally. I think that this was overall a pretty good level, but it definitely has bugs that I really didn't like dying to. I think the cube blue pad things, like in the first ship, but also in the ship cube section in the 60s, you can get spit out with the wrong gravity there. That happened to me a few times from 0, which I thought was really annoying. In the 60s, for what it's worth. That's at the first. Dying to a bug at like 5% on this, don't really care. But dying in the bug in the 60s was really annoying. That happened. And the other really bad death to a bug I had was my worst fail of 88%. The auto with the ball in the bunch of the blue pads doing it again. I ended up just doing the click pattern where you have to click every orb, click all the orbs, and I just died. I just wasn't able to. I was just in the wrong spot completely. There is a pattern for that ball where you just don't click until the second black orb, and I think I might have got that pattern and clicked when I didn't need to. I had seen that in practice before, but again, I'm not going to be able to read that. I'm not going to be able to tell which pattern I'm on. And the one where you have to actually click the orbs and do it correctly, it's the one you got most of the time. So, but yeah, I think that in general, it took forever to progress on this too. Like, it took me 3 sessions, but those weren't like 3 sessions because I just was unable to make progress on this. And maybe I had practiced it. That's potential. But I was able to get like 30 attempt practice runs or whatever on day 1. So it really took me so long to finish off, but I'm glad I did. Yeah, I think that this level is probably not one that I'd outwardly recommend, but it's also not a level I found bad. It was just, yeah, it was rough on me. I'm glad it's done, though. As far as difficulty, I think this is, like, on the upper side of mid-insane demons. Don't think it's ideal, where they definitely don't think it's extreme. I saw a bunch of people saying it was, and I just don't agree with that, personally. Like, if I had done this in 1 session, if I was able to progress fast from 0, even 2 sessions, this would have been sub 500 attempts, and I don't think that's extreme demon territory, even on an XXL level where you're inherently not going to spend as many attempts. I still don't think that this is an extreme. So yeah, I'm just glad this is done though. Okay, but yeah, CICADA3302, GG's.